Hunger seems to be one of the biggest struggles during detoxing, and it's not just physical desire. The mental changes that occur when switching from toxic foods to healthy ones can be difficult. As mentioned before, if you are truly hungry, snack on high-fat foods such as nuts and legumes. If you're physically satiated, but withdrawals have your mental status struggling with cravings, try some of the following activities to help stave off that psychological hunger. Take a bath. Indulge in a warm bath surrounded by candles, light music, and relaxation. Practice mindfulness to help you understand exactly what type of hunger you are experiencing. This will help you pinpoint the best way to tackle it. Clean. Naturally, a cluttered or dirty space makes us anxious. Try cleaning and organizing your home to help reduce the amount of anxiety you are experiencing. Relax at home. We usually have regular routines like shopping and social activities with friends. During your detox, try staying home and relax. This will help keep you from situations where you may be tempted to eat unhealthy foods or ingest alcohol. Try not to smoke. Smoking not only introduces thousands of toxins into the body, but it also raises your blood pressure. That blood pressure rise will increase your anxiety and mental acuity. If you are a heavy smoker, it's not recommended you quit smoking cold turkey at the same time as a detox, but try to reduce as much as you can. The most important thing is to understand your body and mind and know what you need to help get through the cravings and anxiety. It won't last forever. Thanks for watching. Click the link in our video to watch more from Lifestyle Fitness channel, likes and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest exclusive videos, plus hit the bell so you don't miss a single one.